Acacia Senegal is a little, prickly, deciduous tree generally alluded to as Arabic gum. The plant is local to the semi-desert and drier areas of sub-Saharan Africa. It is a little tree of around 6 meters in stature, with a grayish bark and solid sinewy internal layers. Leaves are bipinnately master-minded. The plant has thick spikes of little yellow blossoms which are longer than the leaves. The expansive unit natural product contains 5 to 6 seeds. Acacia health benefits. Acacia is frequently utilized in topical medicines to help wounds recuperate. Specialists, researchers, and scientists accept that this impact might be because of a portion of its synthetics, for example, alkaloids, glycosides, and flavonoids. In one examination, a type of acacia known as Acacia caesia was tried on rodents as a component of a topical injury treatment. It prompted snappier injury recuperating than the standard treatment. Confucius supposedly contains groundbreaking cancer prevention agents and is utilized to treat blood issues in conventional herbalism, where the plants normally develop. Research facility contemplates have likewise demonstrated a potential for the plant concentrate to battle hepatitis E in Taiwan. The wood is additionally allegedly used to make bolster pillars for underground mines. Despite the fact that not also referred to as its nearby family members, for example, Acacia maiden and Acacia obtusifolia, Acacia confusa makes an extraordinary decorative plant. The pom-pom molded blossoms take after those of the mimosa variety. This species is recorded as tough from zones 9-11, yet it tends to be developed as a holder plant in cooler conditions, a lot of the manner in which its family members regularly are. In the same way as other mimosoid plants, Acacia confusa is tolerant of poor soils. It duplicates promptly after fire. If you would like more videos, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell below so you can see fresh videos we post each week.